Grading of vegetables after harvesting is an essential step in post-harvest management. Grading of vegetable on the basis of physical characters like weight, size, color, shape, specific gravity and freedom from disease depending upon agroclimatic conditions. The known methods of grading of vegetables are manual grading, size grading. Grading of vegetables in the fresh form of quality is essential as the people are becoming quality conscious day by day. Further, upon arrival of vegetables at the processing center, they should be graded strictly for quality. The immature property, mature and over mature vegetables should be sorted out for the best attributes. Under grading, we have different levels of quality of vegetables, that is extra class, class 1 and class 2. Extra class is of superior quality, possess the shape and color of the variety and without internal defect likely to affect the inherent texture and flavor. A 5% tolerance is allowed for errors. It must be carefully presented, taking into account the uniformity of the produce in size, color, condition, arrangement of the produce in the package quality and the appearance of the packing or pre-packing material. Class 1 is almost the same quality like extra class, except that a 10% tolerance is allowed. Individual vegetable is allowed a slight defect in shape, color and minor skin defect which do not affect the general appearance for keeping quality. In packing, the size range may be wider and product need not always be arranged in the package. This class product may exhibit some external or internal defect provided they are fit for consumption while fresh. This class is best fitted for local or short distance market. This category will satisfy the needs of customers who are not too demanding and for whom price is more important than quality. Now let us see the different advantages of grading. Grading basically increase the marketing efficiency by facilitating buying and selling a produce without personal selection. It helps in enhancing a good price for graded products. Heavy marketing costs in packaging and transportation can be avoided by grading. In grading, deceased and defeated specimens are not damaged due to contact of deceased specimens and thus gets high price in markets. By grading, there is a fairness to both the buyers as well as the sellers. Properly graded vegetables are purchased by the consumer easily without inspections. The last operation of post-harvesting is packaging of vegetables. After processing and treating are completed, seeds are packaged into containers of specific new weight. Packaging is essentially the last operation in which seeds are handled in bulk flow. Packaging is an important consideration in vegetable market. The use of properly designed containers for transporting and marketing of vegetables can significantly reduce their losses and maintain their freshness and quality for a longer period. Packaging also provides protection from mechanical damage and undesirable psychological changes during storage, transportation and marketing. Packaging consists of the following operation: filling of seed bags to an exact weight, placing leaflets in the seeds bag regarding improved cultivation practice, attaching labels, certification tags on the seed bags and sewing of the bags, storage, shipment of the seed bags. So these are the different operations of post-harvest technology of vegetables. That's all for today. Thank you.